Hi, and welcome to the Triad Advantage. My name is Bryan Williams. Welcome back to the channel. Just sitting here, I was looking at the weekly interest rates updates, and I just decided I'd turn on the camera and talk with you guys about what the interest rates look like. We'll try to do a weekly update with this, basically starting at the beginning of the year. This is the end of the year, so we shouldn't have many changes. But just thought I'd turn on the camera and give you guys a holler and let you know what's going on. So if you look at the interest rates, I got it up here on the screen for you. We finally got some green on the board. It's been green for a little bit, but it's actually starting to look pretty good for everybody. It's actually starting to come down. You see that top number up there? We are looking at the 30-year fixed rate, which is 6.29%. It doesn't sound like anything to throw a party about, but if you look at that little number right here, we're at minus 0.03%. That means things are coming down. It's a small win, but we'll take small wins over big losses any day. It means the pressure is easing off just a little bit. But here's where you have to make a choice. Look at the other side. You're looking at the 15-year fixed rate. That's 5.76%. That's low and looking real good, but here's your trade-off. You take that one, you're saving massive money on interest because you're done in 15 years, but your monthly statement is going to hurt. You're looking at almost doubling your payment, but you're saving thousands of dollars over the course of the long run, because you're paying the house off in half the time. That's you're eating ramen noodles so you can be debt free plan. So if you got the cash flow, you can do it, but if not, I'd stick with the 30. If you go down a little bit further on this chart, you'll see the 30-year FHA loan. That 30-year FHA loan is looking real good at 5.88%. That's down 0.02%. So that's looking real good. That's a solid number. If you're buying your first place and your credit isn't perfect, Uncle Sam is basically going to co-sign the loan for you. That's why it's cheaper than the standard 30. Right, so now looking at the one below that, you got your 30-year jumbo. Now that's the the big boy loan. That's for those who can afford those luxury homes. You're looking at 6.42%. That's the most expensive money on the list right now. That's the rich guy tax. You want to buy a mansion, the bank is going to charge you a premium for it because the government's not backing that loan. So, and that's one for you high money earners. So that might be something you want to take a look at. Now, this next one, I don't recommend for anyone unless you know for sure that you're not going to be in the home, but a short period of time, or for investors. Now, this is the one you got to be careful with. That's the 7/6 adjustable rate mortgage. That is sitting at 5.95%. It looks tempting because it's under 6%. But ARM stands for adjustable rate mortgage. Here's the gamble. You get that rate for 7 years, which is cool, but on year 8, that rate's going to change, and it changes every 6 months. If you know for a fact that you're moving in the next 5 years, take the deal, save the money. But if this is your forever home, don't touch that one. You don't want to wake up in 2032 and find out your mortgage payment just doubled. All right, and of course, we have our VA loan. If you serve, that's the loan you want to take, and thank you for your service. We do appreciate that. Again, that's the one you want to take. Usually that's a $0 down payment. You got the great rate, of course, 100% financing. It's the best deal on the board. So if you are someone who served our country, it may take a little bit longer to get that loan, as they have some different qualifiers and everything. But again, if you served our country, again, the VA loan is what you want to pick up on. So that's our update for today. Everything is dipping just a little bit. We're watching that 30-year fix. So if we can see that bad boy break into the 5s, then we're really talking business. Let me know in the comments. Would you roll the dice on that 7-year ARM just to get a cheaper payment today? Or are you playing it safe? All right, guys. Well, again, thank you for watching and joining me today. This was the Triad Advantage. My name is Bryan. If you have any questions, or if you just want to give me some tips on how to do a YouTube video or stream, this is my first real one, so I would appreciate all the tips you can give me. But again, thank you for watching the Triad Advantage. You guys have a great day and Merry Christmas.